Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to open a Demat account with aliceblue. So let's get started. First, visit our website and click on Open an account. Fill in your name, email, mobile number and state. Then click on Open an account. Fill in your PAN card details and date of birth. Please note the date of birth should be as per PAN card. Validate your Aadhar with the help of DigiLocker. While authenticating Aadhar with DigiLocker, you will be asked for a 6-digit PIN code post OTP verification. If you don't remember the 6-digit code, you can click on Forgot PIN. You will be asked to enter your date of birth and the new PIN setting option will be available. If your mobile number is not linked with your Aadhar, you can also upload soft copies of your PAN card and the front and back of your Aadhar card. Enter your bank account number and IFSC code. The system will automatically verify with the penny drop test. If the bank details are not verified, you may upload any of the following documents: first page of the bank passbook, cancel check leaf or bank statement. Next, select segment. Provide any of the following documents: bank statement, last 6 months bank statement, salary slips, latest 3 months or Form 16, ITR acknowledgement, latest financial year, Demat holding, only holdings report to be submitted. Avoid uploading P&L reports. Net worth certificate, latest and attested from a CA or a government official. And then enter your personal and financial details. Provide an IPV, that is in-person verification, by showing your face toward the camera. Upload your signature in JPEG format under 20 KB in blue or black ballpoint pen. Select the Demat profile and brokerage plan. E-sign the documents by verifying your Aadhar with your mobile number. If you're non-KRA, then you should complete the e-sign stage twice. With that, your account will be activated within 24 hours. Hey, congratulations! You have successfully completed your account opening process. Comment below if you have any doubts about the process or contact us at the support information provided in the description below. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.
Investment in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.